I think that was one of the biggest mistakes in the Mupenyong. And even since now, I regret it. So I said Wingy D. I think I was saying Wingy D and I'm some industry is different from Japreza. Japreza is wrong. I was just saying from top my number one that's what I said, was it? Then the next morning,
music tell me almost everyone.
I think when I was dissing Oliten, I was jealous of him and also like I don't know. And that's not Ganza or what? No, that's not Ganza, bro. But
was no Ganza.
That's not Ganza, but Nina did. I don't believe there's anyone very close to what I was making. Well, in Zim, I think the entertainment industry, like, there's no industry.
There's no industry.
Yeah.
At this moment.
Yeah, I think so. Because I think Jaffa tuck shop. Can you call it tuck shop in industry? Let me do another one.
Yeah.
Was now the cloud is getting into your head. You think that attention, imagine no pengesa.
No pengesa.
So you're gonna control.
Yes.
Yes.
No pengesa.
If you look at it, cloud is like a drug, bro.
Yeah.
Cloud is up there with cocaine.
Yes.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Cloud and cocaine, they're up there.
Social media,
yeah, my
they are
addicts.
actually
My drug addicts. Cloud is a drug, bro. Trust me.
Yeah.
If you don't know how to control it.
Yes.
Look at the content creators. Bro. You cannot say no more.
Finds.
What do
you say?
And
you are looking good. Last picture and I go now, lose weight.
Sadaro.
But I think I do but more slim. What fit is.
Yeah, I think it's just peace of mind. Peace of mind.
We'll talk about that in detail, but welcome once again.
Nah, thank you so much for having me. Ndiripo bro, ndiripo padheni pangu chitumbizwa kuti.
Padheni ndopana ngesingakuzive kama muita kudzira pa internet saka chingoti ndopa tokuwanira chete.
Pa internet I know.
Yeah. It's one of those things.
We go in detail.
Firstly, they finds ne news akabreka recently ashtaura about an app that they've developed and we are expecting to see fireworks, but almost from him what it is about. Taona akatopfeka merchandise today.
Right. Yeah, this is Madews.
Madews, yes.
Yeah. So Madews is basically an online marketing marketplace. But Madews is different from marketplaces on zero. Right? Unoshandisa map. Ndakuchingevhura so untanga map. Then wavhura na map ya kuona Madews ari padhuze newe ari close to you and everything. So it's different from marketplaces aunoziva. When I was launching Madews first time, I was like, kune Facebook marketplace. I was like, yeah, it is, but it's something different. It's not like Facebook marketplace. Because Facebook marketplace wakavhura panotanga ma products and everything, but Madews panotanga map, just like InDrive.
Alright.
So my goal is to have Madews to be like InDrive, but Madews for buying and selling products and services. So in Madews you can find a plumber, you can find a ceiling, you can find a tiles, panowacha hembe. Anyone chokuda kuitwa padheni pako, you can find it on Madews. And also anything udotenga boots, udotenga chi intakaradza boots iri padhuze totona map kuti boots iri pa corner, corner Ankwa na South Avenue, something like that.
And why was it important for you to prioritize mapping, not my products?
I was inspired by InDrive. Kuti pandovhura InDrive ndichitry kusaride rangu ndotanga kuona dziri padhuze neni kuti I can request this guy padhuze neni anotora 3 minutes kusvika pandiri. I was like, what if takagadzirawo something chekuti application yekuti munhu anokwanisa kunyanya product zvako kuti dotenga boots yo. Madews there's a feature yekuti wewe you can just press a request kuti inini am requesting a shoe ndine $400. Saka inosenda ma request unoonesa pane boots dzawakauploada muMadews. Then those people they put their offers kuti we need 500 moto yani chichi. Then the offers yana kwauri wewe, then you select the best offer yekuti asi yori kuda wewe.
Munyika yakaita seZimbabwe hatinyanyoona zvichinzi there is a homegrown application yakagadzirwa masoftware developer machi. Kune vamwe vakamboita but it's an exception, one or two.
Yeah.
so that iwewe inspiration iri kubva kupi because isu tangojaira kumirira kuti InDrive kana yauya bo Facebook kana yauya bo marketplace kuti tinowana wave ari kuti ndine yangu yandakagadzira inspiration yako yakabva upi.
So when I was looking at Econet, they come up with the EcoCache super app.
Yes.
There's Inbox. There's also Tip and Go. And people are really using that.
Okay.
So it was like, okay, for example, Facebook Marketplace irigo. Webata. And I was like, okay, cool. But wakamboita uchibuda okay. Okay, mne mtu ni madoma sari fresh, ni makabo ya fresh. But uchibuda panze mumza panenge chitengeza chi. Panenge chitengeza madoma. So I was like, okay, cool. Yeah, my marketplace ari popular. Facebook has been here for like more than 15 years or 20 years, I don't know.
Yes.
Why is it? So I was like, I don't care. Yeah, they're successful. But I need to also start my own thing. Because my first days, when I launch something, trust me. Takarombo discover Twitter chinza. Takarombo try all like, but my developer ndo chinja takatanga kugadzira. Yeah, kuzinte chikatanga ndo chinja takatanga ndasi kugadzira. Yeah, I was like, ndakarombo ndo try kuti sina ndo tinobude but I was like, okay, cool. Ina mrevines.
Yes.
You utakudzwa. Yeah, so
zvinobuda chete zvakadaro.
Yeah, maskits ndakatanga kugadzira ndiri spare mangu jamani.
Yes.
Like I was in high school, I think I was in like Form 5. But ndiyotanga kugadzira maskits ati first term, I think pane boys akatombodisa akushaya unenge ari kuita chichichi. But akaenda ku holiday in April ka. Then pa holiday ndakagadzira like some viral skits vanozodzoka kwa school. Team rani disa same people rani disa ro. Vangala kuti simbisa nza uya kuita zvine musoro.
So I would say would you a big dream and it?
Zigo and it. I don't like to do basic things. Like I could have been working in office or like a basic job on corporate. Manya mind, manya sonze, hey, manya, yeah. It's for me, bro.
But usually my big dreamers, they defy my odds. They don't go usually need direction.
Yeah, we know.
Sometimes they win. Sometimes
they lose. Yeah. You know, or rather lose. I would rather lose than kumanyis for my office.
You would rather lose.
I would rather lose.
Alright, so Madeus to launch.
Yeah, Madeus launch. And we are doing quite well because Madeus ndakatanga ndiri spare mangu. Right now natoni office ndakataenda kubasa ndunza ndunoleze. And also like I got some investors and I also got some funding.
Yes.
And now I've got a team. But ndakatanga ndiri mubedroom mangu jamani. Chongo mukandose I need to create this thing.
And how inclusive is it pakuti vanhu vanotengesa ipapa or vanhu vanotenga ipapa because ukada kuona a platform like that marketplace you are not finding my corporates kazhinji achitengesa pamarketplace unongoona ngorova chi so madeals ndiye mahustler chete.
No, it's not for hustlers only. Madeals ndakangotanga chida kuita chinhu ichi for people like vanhu kuti ongedese vatengesa zvinhu zviri easy and everything and it.
Yes.
But for now ndikuona macorporates akuita sei vari kuapproach asati finalize zvinhu zvacho but zvakajeka wese pane mwenje pane mwenje
saka toti ndo iri kudzikamisa here because usually kana wane a business interest iri kunyatsozikanwa nevanhu vese kuti ndikupesawa business rakati unotanga kuzvikipa low nekuzvibata because unenge wane interest to protect.
It's not like Janzi Madeus kuti dzikamisa business what and it.
Yes.
Ndamunhu mukuru I'm pushing 30.
Ravens angari mbana.
I was like 19, 20 when I was doing all those crazy things. So I cannot continue being like a 19-year-old. Ndukura ndo mature again. Just chingo move on in time.
Tinore download apa Madeus or it's just
Madeus iri pa Play Store, pa App Store. Apple Store, Apple ilipo.
Regati vatatu download. Sansina kuidownload. Istro support round pa sports, ladies and gentlemen.
Ilipa number G.
Ndangonyora Madeus bebe.
I mean ilipa number G. Number 7 pa shopping applications.
Alright.
Itori mu top 10.
Yeah. But ndikuti it's so unique zvekuti pandavhura pane mamazita ekuti ukasecha panobuda mama-application oye vamwe rozobuda kana search number 7 and ndiyo madeals from the way I'm looking at it tipromote
2,000 downloads from this podcast
izvo zvirega tone tiri pachi
izvo zvini like we have like 20,000 users.
Yei saka iri kushanda kai then kana tavhura tichazoipa rating tichienda takadaro. Once again, welcome Ray Vines.
Thank you my brother for having me.
I'm so happy to see you. Vanhu vazhinji vanokuona muri mapioneer econtent creation muZimbabwe. Would it be right to describe you like that?
Yeah, I think I'm one of them. I'm not like I'm the first one, because there were like guys who before me. There were guys who were doing that.
Like Anan.
Booties and
Keda.
And Boskeda, but I cannot say they inspired me. Because in my content was different. I was inspired from the States, from King Badge, from Disto, there was application in the Vine app Kudara. So those can one inspire me as a content, but I cannot say I'm the pioneer of those kids posts. There was Booties and Boskeda who were doing that. But as for me, I don't really say those guys really inspired me to start doing what I was doing. But I was looking up to those guys who still like, but what if I started making my videos like so, but in a way not related? Yeah.
You Mangamagara mine atma urere before you were even inspired by these guys.
Content creation is guys. Was Tangao, but I was a music producer. I was making hip hop beats. I think at 16 I was employed. They talk about drama. They talk about 20 years per day. Every day.
We talk as drama.
That was 2016.
In the US $20
those days I was living with my cousin brother.
Yes.
But yeah, then I was like form 4. So my business I think I was 12. Then ndakanyatanga kugona manje ndaka kuma 16 boku ndakanyasorwa mabeats chacho. Then I was 16 unaenda kwenye studio, so then mfana ndinogadzira mabeats eyo gamugara pa chair pagadzira ndinogadzira banger and vanokarepa vatorepa pa beach roll. Then I was like, from that day I started getting paid every day. Then I think yanga long holiday kuti ngapedza nyina form 4. Then form 4 my results ndivada sen ndvabuda takapasa takarwa fash takatsvuna.
Ndonzika vanhu vanenge vachiita zvemaskizwa nemadrama.
Zvakanzi padini kanzi bamdiki motongoita sei maukoni nechikoro. But I'm going to then form 5, form 6. I think I was in form 5 now when I'm going again or my salad. Because me mix about different from backgrounds. I was in the boys and my vines to my form 5. But it's not wasn't the chin. I don't look at things which don't go to such don't funga kuti, but the scene kuti parida baraka say, how did they make it kuti, like from the get go kuti kuchizosvika pachiri apa munhu akachibika sei andingonakidzwa ndobvunzo like kuti chii chamanyasoitika from the get kuti nyizo like end result rizobuda. So that was like me. I was like aba ndichita sama videos. I was like aba ndikwanisa zviita. Then I was like home ndasvika padeni kabebe tutoerenga ndeta accounting like ndiye level tutoerenga book ra accounting mwenza randa so mwenza book ronzi
we have a lot in common that accounting as well. Randa tuchiona consolidation.
Yeah ndikobata ziranda kandiona anonzi costing accounting bebe dzingapinde ndimbotisha kugaza video chacho man. So mazona ndaka Nokia Lumia kanga ne good camera ndimbotisha kugra video 1 like my video nganchiona chi and my fine ndikufanya njira zona mwangu. Then I made a video when I posted about Instagram. Then I got like 300 views.
300.
Yeah, I was like, because Instagram was the thing. Now you're so pinned like my use to do. So when I did Instagram, I got Shadaya.
Yes.
And Shadaya, sorry.
Yes, Shadaya.
Mazoya ngafita kuta mazwana like he was making memes. Shadaya kitanga gaza memes. So I was like,
times ari taona Shadaya ma memes nje what.
Achoma memes. So when I ended up IG, I was like, just scroll like I ngobula relationship ngachipisa wewe. Ngosungwa follow you. Kuna Shadaya. This guy is making memes. I was like, I cannot make memes. But in that to do piece up ngoja I don't go piece out. But again, but let me stick to Vines. Let me
Shadaya bakarega chipisa.
Yeah. I trust me. That guy has been there like
for a
while. Yeah.
Yes.
I was like, oh, Shadaya is making memes. I need to come up with my own style. I cannot make something. I was like, okay, cool. Then I started making Vines. My first video got like 300 views. I was like, 300? That's a lot. Then I made a second one, a fourth one. I think a fifth one now. because apa ndaitira kugadzira mavideo akafana nekuamerica ndisinganyanyo relate nevanhu chini vekuzimbabwe webata. Then I think the fifth one wandagadzira rimwe renzi Zim Danzo versus hip hop artists kuti mazim Danzo kana chiri kuda
anoita
noise like vanongoshima but my hip hop artists manje vanamfana sane wave vana chichichi vanonga relax achiti ya madzimai ndikubatisa chigai but when it comes to those guys vana uncle pattern nachi vanotodedzera nekuzim Danzo. So that video was comparing Zim Danzo artists and hip hop artists, you know. And next day manje data papo ndaita nekuti ndeseva mari kombi kana kutenga kadata rombopera ndose. Then I think next 2 days ndazowana mari data fanaenda pa Instagram ndikona
mavideo ari kuonekwa chaizvo
video bro like my followers akuita ku
ari kuwanda.
I think Zim Celebs, if you know the official page is Zim Celebs
tanga risati
yeah Louis I think Louis ndiye akatanga sinero ndake he posted that video on his page and then I was getting many followers kuti. And you know the adrenaline manje yacho like the dopamine and everything. Dopamine ndikupisa kind like people are following me. So you start for no inspiration let me make more ndikadzire mamwe. And I started making more videos. Yeah, since tasvika na August tigorova masini.
That was 20
I think that was 2020 yanga 2018 manje. Yeah, I was like when I started I was like 17. I was like 18. Probably not 18. And I bought my video, bro. I was doing some crazy stuff. Because if you look at it again, in Zim, I think I was the first one to call myself Vines. With the Ray Vines. Because Ray comes from Raiden. Because I was like Raiden Beats. My beats. So when I started making my Vines, I was like, but in Raiden Vines. It's not, as you know, it's not even proper. So let me call myself Ray Vines. Vine rakabva ku application edzi Vine. Rakafana TikTok idea yakatobva pa ma application edzi Vine. Because Vine you can only Vine pekutenga post 10 seconds yet. Saka pa 10 seconds unofana unakidza vanhu. Saka that's why you see my videos angari short like they were so short but shortness iyoyo kanoenda kukwadza. Ndakusiyo kada said wakaparara.
And a lot of people they really don't care about your name kana uri an artist or vanongoshanda ne-stage name.
Yeah, Ray Vines.
Zita rako chaicho ranga riri chii?
Zita rangu like my real name.
Yeah.
Inonzi Melus.
Yeah,
Melus.
So Ray ari kubva kupi?
Ray yakabva kumagame. Do you know that game inonzi Mortal Kombat? Yeah, so like there's a moment ndinemaenda kuholiday kuDzarasekwa. Dzarasekwa 3 satarwa game Mortal Kombat chama magame. So now I was always using the character yanzi Raiden. Yeah, bweka magetsi Mortal Kombat. So yeah, nderowa vanhu zvekudaro. Saka ndopakabva kuti Raiden. So kuenda kwa high school to Raiden Beats, then later on Ray Vines. If you look at it, there are so many Vines right now. When I was making my Vines, there were so many Vines. Hey, Vines.
I remember at that time, and even wanga wasinganzi ma Vines ofuti wanga wasina sinema kuti Vines. Wanga vaine muitiro futi avaita, but akada kuita nge Ray Vines.
And asida kuganza what? No, asida kuganza bro, but
asida kuganza,
but nina nditi. I don't believe there's anyone angari close to what I was making. It's not guns or something like that. Yes. But that's what I believe in. You can't believe who's not believe, then it's on you. Like I won't judge you. I get it. It's for me, nigga. Content was top notch, bro. Do you know why I could indagasiya content?
Yes.
One of the reasons. This is a partly reason, not the main reason. Content ngakagadzira, bro. Because I don't want to make basic content or content ngori basic you just kutungobadza camera totanga ngu actor and todzima. There's no special effects, there's no anything, there's no script or something like that. But nini I took time pandegadzira content yangu ndaitsvaka namazuva ndinyazofunga idea ndinyazoishapena kuti because inini I'd wanted to kuti munhu kachona content yangu ininika they'd be like yo mfana boy
what is it
like azifunga sei like how did you combine this and that and that and that azvibatanidza sei bebara I didn't want to make basic content kuti ngori content ungunzoita ngobadza funda kuti ngoita drama no my content wasn't drama or what bebara zvinhu zvinonetsa bro like creative process yangu it was very very hard
but fewer unowanzopa vanhu hopo iyi yatinoti attention, kuti you're commanding attention of the masses. And time iyoyo wakatanga kurova, I can say ndo time yekuti masocial media platforms anga kunyatsoratidza kuti if you have got a talent, if you are a creative, this platform inokwanisa kukupusha. Vanga wakutanga kuti page rakuita malikes, vanhu vakuonekwawo, maplatforms akuratidza kuti munhu arikuita sei ari kuonekwa. And for some that will be few enough yekuti arambe achiita sei achipusha. Did you feel appreciated or kutanga uri kuonekwa here zvekuti wazosvika palevel yekuti wobva wati content it's demanding a lot? I think I can send nazvo.
Few obvious. My comments and everything, they will push you to what? To do more and do more.
To keep on doing. Unless you find something so much better.
Yeah. Bro, now I always want to make good content.
Yes.
Like if you look at my content, like that's the but the content it was something that was educative, something that was economical, addressing economical issues, addressing social issues, addressing political issues.
Yeah, current affairs.
That was my content.
Yes.
So not something you didn't go kusekesa and go kufadza. You'd be like,
and now selling Clenon's edutainment. Yes.
Yeah, that was my content. It was something you could answer to then you laugh, something like that.
And if you compare and contrast the content, would you say what you are seeing these days is something you do not right? This is what I was expecting, or this is what I was hoping for, or you think they are still falling way below the mark?
I think now making content is very, very easy now, because if you look at it, there are so many people when they want a data than previously. Like now, munhu wese nyangokadogeza content yekuti yekumasowe yekupi anything unowana vanhu vako. Saka now is very, very easy kuti ugaze content than previously ungakwazira vanhu uptown vekugetwa netumari redzema-wifi, pana manje data razara vanhu vangutenga vasakutenga data and everything. Zvinhu zvaita sei zvachinja. So if you look at it, vanhu vakawanda, I think half of the internet vanokwanisa kuti mudziva kuti Rayvan's ndiani. Do you know it?
Pamwe wakajoina vazhinji vazhinji vacho vakufana kuroora.
Who the hell is the akaisora Rayvan's sore mukadzi usoro nemwana.
Ndowana time inofamba.
Time inofamba.
Ndotoseka vanhu vachitanza James Chimombe chimadhara
Rayvan's ato system tazvida something bro. Like it's not old school, bro. Like really go easy.
I'm trying to understand now kuti pauchirova content Rayvan's. Content yako mavideos andakaona kubva pekutanga kusvika pekupedzisira. Ndaiona progression. You were moving in this direction.
Yeah.
Let's start from this. My first skita wakaita. Then next ndakaona kuti collaboration na Lorraine Guyo. Wakuita collaboration na Passion Java. And then next makutogadzira ndaiona Ghetto to Suburb. Utange movie, utange song,
yeah.
Rayvan's is going to the top as far as entertainment is concerned.
Yeah.
The next thing I saw you uchita advert rechili angari jemere kana kuti kamsikana ka yellow born.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden Rayvan's we can see him.
All right.
It doesn't look right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So when I started ndichanga ma video later my blue screen so nje say. So as for me, I'm always a person in which I always want to develop next thing. So I think mandagaza maskits angu ekutangesa managiza then like tenda improve kusvikanda gazaga eri suburb and everything. Like when onyazo Rayvan's ukanyasona jeni langu reso van really 18-year-old kusvika pandakazogumirawo. Vanoziva kuti like I was improving a lot zvekuda. But when I'm Zimbabwe,
Yes.
I'm not judging or anything or like something like that. Maybe it's change. Well, in Zim, I think the entertainment industry, like there's no industry.
There's no industry.
Yeah.
At this moment.
Yeah, I think so. Because I think Java a tuck shop. Can you call it a tuck shop in industry?
We could call it an industry. it's an industry because pane form of trade iri kuitika saka
Yeah.
it's an industry but zvoda kuedza kutsanangura
Kunzisa.
ndokunzvimisa
Kuti zim industry entertainment industry yese zvayo.
kuti muzimbabwe kana mine
From
matuck shop
music,
jet,
yeah,
so
from
that
music,
is
yeah. I
an
think
industry,
it's
hatina
level
industry.
tuck shop. Oh, it's there. Kunokwanisa kuona mari both tuck shop yo kutengesa ma goods. You're selling my products, you're selling my safe, my chingwa and everything, and you're getting money, you're living. But we cannot say kuti is something chaku sustain kuti you tuck shop yakavhara yoga. Can you continue living off that tuck shop yavhara? No, you cannot. Kwebara. So I think in Zim there's a ceiling yekuti ukasvika
Ipapa.
there's no next level or something
Next
like that.
level.
I think that's one of the
Self
partly
actualization ngari up.
partly ndochino one futhi also that
Sure.
killed me.
Yeah.
Kuti and I've done everything, like I've made any video.
So you
kuti,
lost
like,
motivation.
like kuti awusina kana dopamine panobudisa kana video you won't even get that dopamine. You know what? I'm
what's
getting
next?
likes, I'm getting what? It doesn't hit anymore because now I was want something. You understand? That nonipa interest kuti ndramedese ndichita something that keeps me going. But it wasn't like I was like, okay, cool, I've done everything, I've done this and done this. Takavhura hombe dzatakavhura and everything, but it was not like giving me that adrenaline feel.
So I would say kuti probably you grew bigger than the industry itself.
Zigo. No, it's not like that. I grew bigger, but I was like, zvinhu zvakundibore, bro. Like, it's not like it's not something that I want to do the rest of my life. Kunzi nditosvika padeni madheme yangu ndizvo pamabva kubasa ndibva mavines ndibva ndichita maskits. Plus no vision yangu yeupenyu, my goals inoseninga. I want to be something. I cannot say it on this interview, but I want to be something is respected in whatever.
Tell me why Tama skits, unlike some of your competitors, probably kuti that is all that they were doing. Or izvezvo kuti vanhu munhu autokwanisa kutosiya chikoro achiti ndakuita content. Vanhu they are doing those type of things these days. Iwewe at that time I remember tichifollowa toona Ray Vines ari kuchikoro. Ray Vines ari ku MSU. Chikoro chakafamba sei? Taiona so tincharizoda kuzona gauniwo and also something of that sort.
No, at that moment, I think it was popping zvekudaro. He was like, bro. I was like level 2. So, bro, I was doing computer science. Yeah, computer
Level
science.
2.
Yeah, level 2. I think level 2 too. Kuti ndakutofana kupedza I go to attachment or isn't. I was like, I'm getting paid. Everything's going well. I think that was one of the biggest mistakes in ndakaita muupenyu wangu. And even since now I regret it. But later on, ndakadzokera chikoro. Like I'm doing cyber security now, and I'm like masini mashoma.
Nei uchiti it was a mistake because in the country that we are living in, and we cannot overemphasize how important school is. Everyone knows that
chikoro chakakosha German.
Yeah, but vamwe vachiti hakuna mabasa.
Mabasa zvekuti mabasa zvina basa, bro.
Yes,
chikoro basically it makes you a better person. Webara. Because I remember the moment ndakamira kuenda kuchikoro nditi I was coming something that I was not like. Nenge reasoning capacity yako, reasoning capacity munhu asina chikoro ka nema nechikoro nenge class chaiye kuti munhu ane chikoro haana.
nduna zvakasiyana.
Nenge kuenda music atizondoti uyu ane chikoro haana. Like the way they do their things. Nenge kuenda kuma professor nenge kupe and everywhere. Unoti uyu ane chikoro haana.
Maprofesi mupinwa nemunda mimi. Akadzidza yana.
Yeah, it's not ndanzo kuchoro what I did, but chikoro panenge mika element or something that is kama kachinokupa so ka value so inini ka
vanhu vanenge vakadropa chikoro vanenge vachitipa maexample hana Bill Gates
ayo
hana Mark Zuckerberg.
Ona chizigo usati watasa vanhu chimotengesa kuti chikoro chaidzaidza aita chi kuchikoro ka aidza kupi
aidza kuhava
sanga kuhafati.
yes
Oxford you what uri kuzegu obora machikoro bro nofana watasa vanhu wangori magenius. Plus ngwa background yako mbako wanga ni mari wanga sine. Look at Elon Musk. Elon Musk ndara kanga tori millionaire. I mean I don't know.
Yes, I hate
Why is
so
it?
kuti South Africa kwacho
vangatori nemari.
Yes.
Zvakadaro ini majisumba kwedu katotobvawo jamani mahwani.
Yeah.
Waize zinoti kushandisa kutambura stereki but but
Amutambure,
tofana vanope kutangira waiziva. Saka chikoro handiti amana mageto ekuisa mana life is not about making music or skits or what do what you're doing but sometimes mabhuku akanaka kuti anokushapenawo mind akanokuvhura uchi ina remember panenda kuchikoro kama 6 ndotogadzira mazumamuminzi paneweka maths paneweka linear maths discrete maths they were so different, they were so sharp. Maskits kuti nyazoti but something is sharpening in my mind ichi mabhuku aisa chiweka maths and everything like that but the moment ndinambosiya
in terms of my earnings manje at the time I think it's a public secret panguva yawo akanyatsopisa nenguva inoyi zvinenge zvakubhadhara zvakasiyana.
Yeah. Now I think those guys are getting those guys are getting 100,000s and bro isusu timatorebiwa bro. I was like it's all life and good. I want something better. I would rather struggle for like next 10 years building something you want anybody the fortune that I really want.
So haumbotorwawo moyo like you're filled with envy with the talent that I have because izvi zvainoti rave ainzi akangorelease.
No, I feel proud like a dad, like a proud daddy.
Yes.
Yeah.
So hakuna kana chimbokutora moyo kwese ikoko.
No way bro. Ininiga I have bigger goals bro. Zvakazorambo hazvo but hazvirambi.
Tell me about your bigger goals. If you are at Libat, hanzi vanhu vanoroya saka handisaudze vanhu.
No, it's not hanzi ndouraiwa but it's something ndekuti unogona kutanga kutoatakwa. Waize nemwe vanhu vanoda kuita same thing waize same thing chada kuita so ona chizigo I would rather be delusional nyangosvika ndife ndingori delusional. It's okay to be delusional. All the greatest men varimo they were delusional. Kudaida zvakadai so uchitonzi uchitosekwa waize ipotanga ndombosekwa but zvakumika sense manje everyone will be coming chipping in supporting ndomuzivo
ari wild zvakadii madreams ako zvekusvika pakuti vanhu vanogona kuti
they're so wild they're so ndakamata izvo zviri delulu.
Who would you say these guys they are doing well zvekuti I look at them and I say these guys
the guys who making skits on
who making skits or
right. Yeah anombotora vanonisekesawo because inini handikunyebenzesa ngenya ndingosekeseke like
jokura smell going to do
that inango majokes andingosekeseke ese like basic jika.
Yes.
But trust me kuna vanonisekesawo right. There is Chief Ben makes me zvekutodaro anonisekesa anovhura hombe.
Inaindisekesa Chief Ben but akazonyatsondisekesa pakaya speed and I don't think it was intentional.
No, Chief Ben is doing good, trust me. And I think pakaya speed he also did well. Why is it? From point of view yangu inini noti yamwe vanhu
and uchijaja homa fanike ndichijaja matauro andira chirungu if I was but city there
chirungu chakaoma jamani indendiri pabuka mene vakashata chirungu chakaoma because this is bro takakura geto takadzao geto from form 1 to university so
plus tofunga neshona
tozotaura nechirungu
so munhu anenge ataura nechirungu paanotaura nechirungu anenge achitofunga ipapa isi totakaterera tobva tazozvitranslate into shona tobva tazozvipindura neshona tozozviisa futi kuchirungu
takaenda kumagurupu eschool machichi zvinomake sense
well saka tina Chief Ben
we got Chief Ben is really really doing good zvekudaro.
What's different about Chief Ben?
Right, Chief Ben I think basically he's a little bit creative.
Quite a little bit creative, man.
And also, from my point of view, he's a little bit creative and also funny. He's very, very funny. And I also like how we do different things. He doesn't do the same thing. I know what I'm doing. The same thing. Like one of my videos. Last time, I was making different video. Every video I was making different video. I think Chief Ben is really, really, really good at that. He makes different. He doesn't have so these videos like he can come as a rasta, come as a pastor, come as Tsano, come as big. I mean, I got connected big. Imazwano.
My name is Sugar Daddy.
Yeah. So I think Chief Ben to me like is exceptional. He's my number one.
Yes.
Then there's Wesi
Isa.
Yeah,
yes.
that one is like creative. He's halfway there, creative. Wes is good, but he's halfway there, creativeness. ndichimezha neyangu
ladies and gentlemen munhu watola banaba
No,
ari
no.
kunzanzi is halfway
yeah inangu nochimvezo isinoti hanzi kuganza ndikuita sei i-point of view yangu inini noize haisi kuti hanzi ndikujaja zvitira nemunhu wese what i-point of view because I know what I was doing and what these guys are doing. Wes is really really good creativeness and it's like aware the way he
yes
ma-scripts ake he structure ma-scripts ake and also
zvinoika chikoro mukati
yeah it's not that dumb man I don't know yeah man I can say my ways man
yes
so Wes is really really good and I like the way he does his things every video la Wes ndoseka ukaenda kusiya comment pa video lako zoti yeah really unongo chigona zvekudaro like Wes is really 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 good and also
chetikana pane
no ariko wanondisekeza there's this guy Freds
Donjo
yeah
ananga ndovanzi nanzi Freds akafanana natsvangirai the late Mason
I'm not involved in that I don't know but Wes also makes me laugh and that Anzan Freds Freds especially his kids a good change energy yeah then there's there's this guy akatanga manje but he's really really doing good Professor
Abu Dhabi yes
Abu Dhabi he's funny also and this young gent anonzi Kaitano
I don't know this one
Kaitano you must check him I don't know what's jezi England so my videos zake man
you know him
yeah he's doing good yeah he's doing good then there's also like Spina there's
nena kwane maskits a
Spina bro then there's Alan Skits there is Mr. Barnes Booms or what I don't know Brooms I didn't also gonna search but yeah that one makes me laugh
Brooms
yeah most of the time Brooms is also good he's also good there's also this young Danny yeah Danny I think Danny was good he was good yeah before he started hanging out with some people but he was really 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 good
but hanging out with some people you're talking about Towers
I don't want to say names
mother than one
I don't want to say names but he was really really good before he was starting hanging out with other people yeah he was doing well he was ndikunyebeka bro ndoti achokwadi weza nditi kutanze mpana wangu zvotodaro eze
so at this point fanike pautaura nyaya yaDhani pautange vanhu they are trying to complement talent with trends or sort of kurarama reality lifestyle is it good for my artist kuti kana une talent rako zvafana naDhani he has got so much talent masikiti ake ndaimaona akapfeka uniform ari kughetto kulocation achita maskiti and then when you say you start hanging out with other people unoona kuti creativity yacho inenge akugadzira zvimastaged drama like zvekuti anofana nga ine mumwe munhu vachinzi vazodai vatanga kurarama reality life kana vachiita skit racho unofana nga richisavor purpose yevamwe vanhu or an advert or something of that sort how do you strike manje balance yekuti ugone kana unofana kutosiyana nazvo
I think una chikone chinoita ndechekuti you must evolve into something better wise not in something worse I think chino chindikandiuraya futi kuti nini I was running away from what I was supposed to do then chienda kuita zvekunetsa nevanhu being controversial something like that chinjase so in chijaja point yoga I think he's doing a very very big mistake because zvandakamboitawo previously kuti I started running away from making my vines machichi zvinhu zvakanisa pamap I started chasing something different chinetsa nevanhu ndichituka nevanhu something like that and kuna chikunana genuine chavanotoda content ndiri good wise ida kuudza kuti vane controversial nda content controversial they are so very few but they are the loudest ones wise and vanhu vatanisa macomments unofunga kuti ndo zvinhu zvitase zviright zvanoita sezvandikuita but asha vari kuwana ntonama vatoenda kuchechi vari kuwana vane moyo kana vanotoda content ndichi iri clean waibara so as for me I think if it's paying him pamwe ndo zvikuita se zvikupa mari than before zvaita se zvaita. So you must keep doing that as long at the end of the day ka, as long uchiona chi bread.
Unokwanisa kuona mari iri uchienda in the wrong direction.
Yeah.
Uchitoona mari yakatowanda kudarika.
Yeah, kudarika in the right direction ka.
Yeah.
The artists who are doing drugs pa TV, do you say that is the right thing? No,
it's not the right
but they what? They're getting booked,
money.
getting everything. So mupenyu, I think wangostikira kunzi unyangokaita zvinhu zvakashata what it will pay them because there's so makaita zvakashata chete.
Yeah,
punish you.
Satasvika pane zvakashata orochi. Are you munhu wechitendero? How dear is now the faith to you, now the spirituality to you? Why I ask that is because I saw one of your skills rimwe rawaifamba uchiti ini ndakanyanya sha, if you still remember that. And then you get robbed. Vanhu vayansoti vakuroba papaita mheni. Zotanga kuti Mwari ndimi makaita se makanyanya. Ini ndogona kutaura zvaJesu panapa for the sake yekungoti ndoda kuti vanhu vaone video rangu vanhu kwaJesu. Asi inini Jesu asi mumauri. Iwo uri munhu ati spiritual here zvakudaro.
Ngamudzo wakanaka bro. Trust me. Inini mulife mangu ndobelieve kuti there is one God. And I believe in Christ. Something chandakakurira machiri. It's something chandikwanisa kusiya. Waibara. Trust me, there's sometimes in life mafunga kuti apa ndibuda apa. Pandakazota se? Ndakazobuda bro. Inakanuse kugona kwangu. Wose chikuru tezonzi simba nderamwari. Kugona kwese ndikwa Jesu. Waibara. Saka since now hapana mandikazodopikisa vanhu vakaita sevakandikuudza vakandiita se kuti vakura nawo ndakuona zvimwe zvinhu painda ndinonzi uita muatheist there's no such thing bro like I cannot hakira zvimwe zvinhu zvandakata se zvandakanda se ndakura ndikwanisa kubelieve zvinhu zvakandichengeta ndisvike pandiri right now. So I believe in God and I believe in Jesus Christ.
Ndikuona musikana wawe actor naye wamaimboti vangari musikana wako or anga asiri I don't know.
Which one?
Nzapagoti
Ruwa
yes ndikuona anenge akuita zvechechiwo futi mazuva ano.
Ruwa she's doing very well. I think Ruwa also background yake like your mom is a pastor and everything saka hakuna kwazvinomira nazvo because ndokada se ndo makakudzirwa imomo makakudzirwa muna Mwari muna Kristu. Saka anyway unozorana nawe kuti ndinoita zvakadai hazviite.
Vamwana vamboacta nawo it was now sort of a camp like a crew like a chi. Varipi ezvinozvo. Mukuru weband akasiya kwakwani mukukuzvi. Kune ma-movements izvo zvariko. But one of the first organic movements atakatanga kuona ndemukukuzvi. And about mukukuzvi it was a movement yanga isiri kutanga from music. It's very very easy to start a movement from music. Kune magafa. Kune Danger Zone. Izvo zvine malongende.
Malongende.
Kune hwabada. But kuti uwane yema-actors. Handiti kashoma kunzvikwe ningi ana Murata, Kate family, neNgale family. But ma-actor cheche kashoma kuti one movement. Even kana Mama V kuna Mama V family andoziva ma-top actors atiri kuziva at this time. How was it easy for you to create a movement as a comedian?
So inini when I started on it ndandire boys zangu rekumaraini uro ndengodezi kuti boys gatigadzire video kadeso. So I was like but we need to start like a or pekutanga it was like a gang kuti isusu boys ka tivakukuzvi tinodese tinokukuzva. Then there's some people that chipped in with guys, what if we turn this into like something genuine, something corporate, attract a corporate, something like that. Then we're like, let's create a creative hub. Mkukuji. Creative hub is like creators, they come in, they make their content, we help them. And it was really working. Creative hub is really, really working. Then something happened to me personally, trying to break away. So I was like the engine of that creative hub. So when the engine broke down, the creative hub,
when you strike the shepherd, you scatter the sheep.
Yeah.
So they were worried about those who were under because movement unowanzoitika even mucreative hub as you are saying isi tinongoiti movement mune vamwe vanhu vanogona kungasitoona kana plan vanenge varimo kuti is going to find purpose in that movement vamwe vacho vakaenda nekupi vazhinji vacho.
No, they're really doing good zvekudaro because isusu tasadzidzisa kuti maskills chete tatogaisa life kuti but boys tikadai waize togaisa zvezveupenyu chaizvo chaizvo and I cannot say kuti there's one yakutambudzika or wakuita sei
ipapa
like vamwe vacho they're actually doing better than me as for now. As for now they are really doing.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ray Vines Melusi izvezvi ndofunga tiri kunyanya muti Melusi. Ray Vines ingori for identification vane application ravo remadeals and we want to support them all the way as he pursue this dream. Then Melusi vatanga kutanga kunetsana nevanhu zvakutaura kuti zvanga usingadi izvozvo and one of the people wakanetsana naye wekutanga is hauna kunetsana naye here kana kuti wakadii
ndindatonetsana naye kuti tainetsana
ndiani Winky D of course ndo wakatanga kutaura about and you were speaking in sort of negative light.
I think With that case, and it, trust me, I was like only 19. I was a kid. Why is it? And when you're doing this conning thing, you get clout. What does clout does? It gets into your head.
It feeds.
Yeah. So as we come to apana wagaza macontent watika. Wakona clout manje nzani mbira nishika. They start seeing themselves as superheroes or something special or something like that. But you're still that takuzwa from Kwadza and you're still a loser. But because just one a clout now you think that you are the real deal. Yeah, so that was me. Now I was 19, I was getting clout, I was getting numbers and everything. I was thinking, I'm the real deal, so I can even say whatever I want.
What did you say at that point?
So I think first time it was live with Levels, right? Then I think that turns the music and I'm going to most strongly expect your music, bro. Because that was not getting babong in that was zero. So I was like, in Levels to try but so I said Winky D. I think I was saying Winky D and I'm not some industry. He's different from Japreza. Japreza he brought not all no argument. I was just saying from top my number one fungisa nezvazvo. That's what I said. Is it? Then the next morning, you talked about Zim celebs and everything. So in the way I was saying it, guys, is not in this way. It's very rude. Like, I'm in charge now. But like I'm in charge now. No matter what it is. Then this thing to go and to go munas did that. I was like, and I've posted him on Facebook. They don't post like picture and go calling down. As Mona's going to post like a picture.
Yes.
We're gonna have comment section, bro. I think that moment,
yes,
you're gonna go shift or something. Brain mango is a good. In Nandri Mwanaka, bro. Like I was a good child. When I'm running with my mom's what I was a very, very sweet, a very sweet gent. But after that moment, it turned me into a savage person, turned me into a bad person. Because nasa number one like my salutations like I wanted like two questions kuti because I was like I'm not ignoring these comments, let me read them all.
Yes,
right. The page of reading my comments and I was like, don't want zani kweni.
Yes,
right. But I don't get that more mosquitoes and get two the same day, bro. Like no was my brother tani nakata ngoni ngati mitombo gara tumbonofunga, we need to brainstorm ga on on this size how let's create something to say reply. Then nakanda one video then it got so many views and so many comments, so many like, let me do another one. Because now the cloud is getting into your head. You think that attention, imagine no pengesa.
No pengesa.
Wakasanya so you can control.
Yes.
If you look at it, cloud is like a drug, bro. Cloud is up there with cocaine.
Yes.
Trust me. Cloud and cocaine, they're up there. Yeah, wana-
Saka kuti vanhu
vari
vari
kupenga.
pasocial media handiti
Yeah,
they are
ma-addicts.
actually
Ma-drug addicts. Cloud is a drug, bro. Trust me.
Yeah.
Chai chinotokupengesa if you don't know how to control it.
yes.
Look at the content creators. Vanopenga vanhu aya, bro. You can say kuti zvinoma zvitwa nemunhu, bro.
ini mandakazoona kupenga kwema-content creator
Eh.
but tikiti kulive
But what the hell? Bro, like you can see yo.
at
one-
least that time pamaita maskit
Eh.
tinokuti ndikashuta one
Yeah,
apana
yeah.
manyashuta 5 paday uchipedza unenge
You can see ladies pushing 50s, pushing 40s,
Yes.
vachiitwa hondo painternet and doing some crazy stuff.
yes
That's not kuchanzi. That's mental illness. So you can be making money something like that. You can be doing well, but mental illness yako
Mawa.
like mental health yako ningona tono cha in point of view nicho not because I was there. Was not uyu munhu akuta sei ari kuvhurika.
aruvhurika
Yeah, chaziriyo ya cloud.
cloud
As
atodhakwa
ya cloud yakuta sei yakushanda. So interest me. Cloud yandifurira bangu was doing ndagaza video ndimoka ndagaza video ndimoka. Then then I went back to normal content. I think was content. And then because I think like for a year or 2 years, I don't know. Then this other time, bro. But I was like Sababa. I don't know what got into me. The cloud was sweet those days too. I was getting some good numbers. I was like those days I was dissing everyone on Twitter. Like I was throwing jabs at everyone. Like ngobata funa nguvula ukuthi chivideo chawo leteni chakadhakwa ichi tweet. I was in
tichasvika pana holiteni baba
Yeah.
tisati tasvika ipapa
Yeah.
pawataura kuti wanga wati Winky D he was not putting other people on the map
Yeah.
just the same way as Japreza was doing
Mm-hmm.
izvozvo pawaizvitaura was it a fact were you convinced at that time zvinhu zvekuti waizvitaura with a genuine heart here uchinyatsoziva kuti vandikutaura ndikutaurawo zvinhu zvobva pamwoyo pangu oro waingotaurawo zvekutsvaga kuda kuonekwa
Bro.
unomesa kamubvudzo
I mean, I was just saying stuff wrong. You didn't trust me. I was just saying stuff. My bad. Because at that moment, ndakapedza nenge month or ndisingagaze in video what I was like, I need to trend. I need to do some rage baiting because rage baiting ayazida kuzivikanwa nevanhu. So there's joy baiting, there's rage baiting. So rage baiting ndotora zvinhu zvausikade kunzwa iwewe. And if I tell you zvinhu zvausikade kunzwa iwewe, you react. And you comment and you share with your other colleagues. So that only zvekutaura mupano.
and people they always fall victim for that
And rage baiting now is still working.
yeah.
If you do it in a creative way or a
Yes.
smart way.
Yeah.
So as for me, like I won't say it was genuine or it was not genuine. I was just saying stuff because I
munhu
wanted.
ndakaona anogona rage baiting is baba harare vanongosvika vangodena
Yeah, Baba Harare it's not like
Rage baiting.
rage baiting. Uti yekudaro.
ko passion java
Yeah, Passion Java is one of the kings of rage baiting. But
Rage baiting.
now people are used to it. This guy is rage baiting us.
iwe why I asked that question kuti you said kuti waida kungotsvaga ngotrend at that time
Yeah, but
because
yeah.
kana wadaro handiti mafans awinky D
Yeah.
unomaziva mafans awinky D anenge akutoti iwewe wakatitadzira vanenge vakutoti they deserve an apology
No, so Wingy D is up there. I think he's up there with the prophets.
yes
Wambodena
Touch notes.
wana papa. What in a papa? Well, I think Wingy D.
apologize
I think he's on top of those guys. Because wana papa no gonna to apologize, but Wingy D is I think is on top of those guys because I don't know what I don't know. And you see what's wrong with those guys, but yeah, if they're coming at you, right?
yeah
Yeah, they really vanokuudza zvekuti like mainsults kuti vamwe vasatomboonzwa kuti chituko chingona kutoinventwa ipapo chisatomboonzwa. Like those guys they really love Wingy D, they really defend him zvekudaro nyamwe ranzo aita seika
asi dai wedzokera mumashure we were never going to say that
zvakatoitika bro, like I cannot change that.
yes
It happened like if it's now on like Wingy D, some of them his fans they still hate me kuti hapana uyu like ndicho mugunofamba mutano yo wabla tuka Wingy D yo chakurowa iwewe bro like ngamazo like 4 years ago. Why you telling like kuchimbidza izvozvo now shut I'm not 2026 bro.
hanzi nevanhu unotanda botso ndomtaurira ndava nhanzi unotanda botso. So what people were now doing is at that time ndopa ndiri kuti you lost weight after that. Hauna weight yako inotanga yangaita sei yanga yatsikira.
It's not even that, bro.
What was the reason?
Is like something personal that was going on with me, isn't? So with some people they say, something like that. Yeah. That be partly. It's partly, but it's not something. It's like 10%, but 90% of it is not. It's not like even that. But something deep was going on. Life mango, like close life, young meaning something that I cannot say, but something that affected me.
And there was a time then when you became outspoken politically.
About
politics. Tani changobva mukupinda new dispensation here ukati exercise freedom of speech. What was happening at that time? Wanga more politically conscious?
It's not even like that. Like the new president,
yes.
President Angaribo, you cannot even say anything or something. So there's like a freedom. You can even say like you can even say what you want and everything like that.
Yeah.
Even my skills and they were like politics. You don't go far like since I was a kid, like I loved politics. So even my skills and politics. And also when some views they were politics. And at one time ndakatomboshedza ku office ya HOD ndiri MSU. I think second week. Ndiri 1-1. Then I made a funny skit njimuka madhara ndiri kuchikoro kanzako ukuita sei also ndibaba wangu ukuita sei. I was like, yeah, cool, I didn't know about that. So I was getting away with a lot of stuff. Saka nasingana fee mandiri kuti yanze ndikwanisa kuita zvakadai so or I can say this and that. Then I started making comments. Ndikufarira ngogeza majokes politics because I was thinking with comedy in a limit. Like it doesn't have comedy unotomuka kana munhu atofa nasi.
Every joke is
like
target.
Waibata. Which is like comedy in a limit. Ikadanda dark or kupi. It doesn't have a limit comedy. So
it's sacred. I'm sacred cows.
So yes, for me I was like, this is comedy. I'll just be doing so I was doing politics.
Uri inspired nana. The other no ninge comedy but politics. Why inspired by Bastop TV?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Bastop TV. Yeah. They were doing something those things though, but yeah, but imagine that time jongo to pupi kakaka 30 seconds kawanza lese
kurumiza kufamba
kafamba wezi. So yeah, I think I was doing politics. Then was this moment I was like, so nini bro, like when I go chitungiza is like opposition bro.
Yes, I know.
Like we won't be knowing about any political party or what. Because like people will be talking. I don't want to get deep into it, but now it's changing. It will change.
Yes.
So the moment I'm going to go abantu vari wrong, abantu you are correct, bro. Those are so yeah. I saying stuff on Twitter and ngotauro mafungiro angu. Because of my background.
Freedom of speech.
New dispensation, doing stuff. Yeah. Then it go to a point which I won't even say it, but it go to a point which ndakazosanga nima one. Then I was like, I won't even say anything in my life again.
Yeah,
but I think that moment also it's also changed my life.
Yes.
Because I was coming rogue and crazy and stuff. That moment, discipline now in Nyasozuka. Nyasofungo, but you boys are looking at life young, but boy, I also got a but you melus. Distranini. But don't let you to the raise or with question. I need to change. Bro, like I was like, I need to isolate myself. Yeah, isolating myself was a bad decision, but it helped me. So to that, I was isolate them.
So about from yourself.
Yeah, from my friends, from social media, from a lot of people. Because a lot of artists say my drugs, then next week or come on social media. That is fake, and I don't talk in green like wait BS. Why is it? But that is BS.
Yes.
Because that's a long process. Trust me.
Yeah.
Like to rehabilitate yourself, is a very, very long process. It can take you up to 8 months.
To rehabilitate yourself.
Yeah.
Or what about to be rehabilitated? Because most of the artists we have seen online, vachinzi, they are going through a rehabilitation process. Unenge uchinzwa kuti mukomana tamutora
That doesn't
tamuendesa
work.
kurehab.
That doesn't work. Azvishandi.
You have to make a decision.
You have to make a decision yourself, not kunzi waendeswa. Zvezvi is you're wasting your money, you're wasting your time. Yeah, it meant work for a short period, but kana masati aita decision yake ega pechake mbuni kuti izvi handichade izvi, like I need to be a different person. You can do it uri padeni. But
You
manje
actually
vamwe
rehabilitated from what?
a lot of things.
From kutaurisa.
Right, from social media.
Social media under rehabilitation.
Zviri kutodaro. Ndakuzwa kuti like
It's a drug.
It's a drug. But itself, from social media, from friends, from lean, from mbanje. Yeah.
Hapana kumbopindwa murehab.
Hapana rehab ndakaenda. Ndiri mudheni mangu German.
As a main thing in his heart.
Yeah, ndakanyatsoti pakuda zvinhu zvinyuwana.
Pawataura nawe rehab ndavanafunga zvinhu zvakawanda zvo ndichipfuurira mberi. Ndavana kufungawo futi munhu wakambonetsana nawo. Hatingati kunetsana, you have been a strong critic of music yaHoly 10.
Alright.
And pese pawaishora Holy 10 waibva wabhiga Tanto Wave.
Alright.
Kana ndisiri kukanganisa.
Alright.
Chii chanyatsokubohwa pamusic yaHoly 10? At the time yekuti almost everyone.
I think when I was dissing Holy 10, I was jealous of him, and also like I don't know, point of hating, you're just being a hater. Okay? That means
at that time were you conscious that I'm jealous?
Yeah, I knew that. But I'm just
What's by the time yekuti ndogona kuti after then ndonati baby rinenge jealous raishanda. You were jealous at that time.
And also I was doing that for like
Clout.
Yeah, for clout. But I need
Rage baiting.
I need to drop my next project. I need to get drop Ghetto Suburb, so I need to get attention. Bandido is so if I poke this guy, he's new, he's trending. Why bad? Zvafana nini mazona katanga kugaza content broker.
No, toshora.
Aisashora. But you padini pangu. But take content. Or is it a lot of big names? I won't even say, I won't mention them, but I want to padini pangu, bro. But mlinda kama zote padini pangu nalo ngozotayo.
I think I time now.
Yeah. But a lot of people, they were coming padini pangu. So I was like, I cannot collaborate with these guys. I need to poke them.
But now also about Holy 10 and it. Talking about Holy 10 at that time, Arguona is trying because at that time he was now making it. But a lot of people are now talking about him, and then he finds this creative giant, Ray Vines, over dismiss some music yake. Maybe mfungo make akatozviti Ray Vines akandivenga.
Yeah, I think izvo zvachofunga izvozvo, but inini kwandiri I think also zvakampushawo izvozvo because kuti uende kumberi also need haters. As if you look at Wingy D right now, chinonyanya pushira music yake right now is my haters. Vanotry negative about him. That's what's pushing. Saka that's what pushes him. Saka ndikutaura zvinhu zvokuti my haters andodiwa vanongachitoita sei vachivenga skiri mandodiwa. Saka panguva I think I was playing that role.
Saka now you're no longer a hater.
Not even.
Do you sympathize with him? He has got my legal troubles.
Yeah, inangu like, bro, trust me. I don't know what happened and who is involved and what's going on. My bad.
Varume vaneka attitude vari kucreata mazuva ano kekuti vakangonzwa kuti a man is being accused of rape. Varume
they start defending
first we defend a fellow brother.
I won't support him or I won't defend him or trying to blame him. So in a wait for the judgment, he's come court and the evidence they provide and everything because I cannot have the answer now. Or are correct, there's someone framing him. Yes. In a way, like and see court or and see judge in court and law, bro. Saka siye vanotonganya vete vatonge.
Tanto Wave uchiri kumusupport here?
Yeah.
And is it genuine?
Kongasheni.
Yeah. Zuri wangu kongasheni. Zvekutopedza
mazuva yangu. Tanto Wave is so creative. I think he's one of the creative people vandu appreciate kuti if I'm this guy chita conversation at
Yes.
I can be with this guy we're on the same level maybe ndiri pasi level rake or something like that, but
Yes.
I can be like I'm someone who's smarter
Yes.
than me or who's smarter as me webada so manje vanhu vakari smart manje like anenge makadisadvantage vangori nako sokuti havazonyanyopiwa attention vanonyopiwa attention mabalance like vanenge vachingoita zvinhu zvingori weird and stuff.
Yes.
People they don't like something that is good, they like something zekuti ndiwana uchicontrola kuti tisi tamusumudza tamisa apa.
And Tandwave is
Tandwave
an example of
is-
something that is good.
Tandwave is just good and zvakanozviitira nabasa nevanhu and he's there because of his work ashanda webara he's not there because akasumudzwa nevanhu aita se he works very hard kuti unosvika pake level kuti ndo appreciate ko matisi mazhinji ndekuti like example is me ini ndakasumudzwa nevanhu bro and also those people they can what ungasonidhingura webara yeah so it's like that ndo zvazvitongori but Tandwave I think man bro but I think deserves more attention like he deserves something
The sky is the limit.
like wambombo maziso mvezo it's very very good trust me.
One of your victims, he was a fellow friend as well. Kana nchiti victim, victim lekumboshorwa newe at that time. It's Passion Java. Na Passion Java makawirirana nguva diki zvekuti vanhu vakati right and at that time vanhu vakatarisa so waitiri kuwirirana na Passion Java. Vanhu vaiti ndo vanhu vacho. Pasina kana a month or two Ray-Bans akutodedzera kuti kwanguri kuchesa cloud futi.
Now if you look at Passion Java used to be my bestie
Yeah.
I used to be besties with a lot of people but inini manje ndiri munhu asakagona keep a relationship like I don't know what's wrong with me but I think nowadays I'm better because now I'm clean and that like I'm no longer
Handuzvona
Yeah,
people mukamutarisa you can tell that this
yeah,
guy is
yeah,
clean.
yeah, 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 yeah. So yeah, I think with Passion Java, I don't mundifunira ndizoti una mwembe dzangu idzo dziri padheni idzo mufana wangu una lambo yangu iyo like
I don't know.
yeah he was doing that bro like trust me webara
Yes.
but ina ndikuti anongogaira bro like ngofunga pauda kuishandiswa like something like that I was like F this guy bro like webara but I don't know that was a good decision or a bad decision but angasai chakanditadzira or something chikutadzira chakanditadzira or something like that but I was like this guy is just trying to use me for cloud because ngochigaira ka or watusikangiti kwako wakutanga kudhipisa uchivhungidzisa webara
Asi zvakashatira kushandiswa nemwe munhu for cloud.
eso me I don't like it
Because kwaishanda uye dzinonzi bvuma kuputsa.
ainangu kupusa ndidi trust me ndikatofe zvangu ndichinanzva like ndamhera I don't know ndichizviwa gonzo bro like inawo ndipusise zvekuti let's do something genuine kuti you want to invest in me okay cool you come then you say I'm investing this money then you tell I need this and this and this and that to tell rana basi noti kadhirike mudikinyine kangoti anzi iwewe tira kuti uimbe undiimbe kuti ase
Kana tombonechena zita rangu.
I think my first company ndakaregister ndine about 19 years bro I was like ada kuinvesta mari ngaise mari tese to build a scene as not something chekuti anzi tirikunzi ndikukusupport but pana mari ndikuzori like guaranteed kuti onzvo I'm giving you 70,000 or I'm giving you 100k to do this and that and that and that but so I want something genuine chekuti anzi kungopusa magerusa vanoshanda in that term as let's work in something chekuti chi documented something chemakasarana pasi but kuti you if you are record label une label wewe inati scam where record label rako kuti tikukupa contract for 4 years pa 4 years tikukupa like 500,000 US then tikuda 4 albums I think if they do that in that way not way kuti anze like I must leak your bro like
But in other countries zvinoitika. South Africa zvinoitika. America I mean zvautaura zvekuti they give you a contract, they tell you how much you should earn.
Now it's in like takuenda kuindustry I just stuck shop manje.
You get what I mean? Someone would now say in Zimbabwe almost everything is informal and zvekuti the creative industry inotorarama at the mercy of vanhu vane mari mbinga makambani zvokuti ikoneti ikauya izvezvi ikati ndaitaura neanother creative achinditi ikoneti takaichaja mari yakati unyatsonoti muchajiro wakaita akatochaja munhu akauya nedhiri racho zvaya
Not
zvekunyara
Econet,
kuite
not
Econet
Econet,
unenge uchingoona kunge
Ingari agency,
ndezvekungonzwirana tsitsi ndezvekungoti totenda mwari nemukana watapiwa neEconet. So instead of charging the fair amount tomboti 5,000 unongoti mune mari imimi chingoita se chingondipai andoona. So don't you think it's because of the culture in Zimbabwe, not culture necessarily, kuti the type of economy yatiri kurarama in inoforce ama-creatives kuti abvume kuti sei kupusa because munhu ari kana kustates tomboti TikTok or tomboti YouTube or you are getting tomboti $10 per one view tomboti usually pay 1,000 views CPM tomboti kwana $10 maningi anditi you don't need to unogona kusatobeta madhiri ana academics havana
madhiri
vanenge vangomira mari yavo vari kupiwa badhiri vada se ravari kuita munomobva tonzwa monetization yacho haimo asi kuna kuti system inogona kukufosa kuti uzogamuchira eculture yekubvuma kupusa pauda kungwara ubva unzwa kuti kune masini ari kupiwa vanhu vari kubvuma kupusa
ndikupanzwisisa
unozonavigata sei manje ipapo. Sometimes I think kubvuma kupusa kwacho ndokungwara kwemazuva
ano. I would rather be broke.
Principle.
I would rather be, akuna chakashata bro, chese tungorarama tichifema tichienda weze.
Yes.
As long ndiri happy, I would rather be broke, trust me. Kachingoita unoza atingoramba chingopembedza kakaucha kuti ngengoramba iriko ngoti ngoramba chingonanzva nemari sanga ndati anyway bro.
You would rather die on your feet.
Kana tichiita ndingati respect ne because ini ngoto yakwandika uzondine value. Why is it?
Yes.
I'm giving you something ndikupa value yo kundipochi
value.
Why is it? Kati nyaso exchange ma service edu zvakaita se zvakanaka. Why is it? In a formal way. Because takada kana machingopembedza kuti bvuma upuza changosvika vanhu edu chingozvara vana vedu 60 years now hapana chingochinja chingoti bvuma upuza bvuma nangu bro. I'd rather be dead.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ray Vines aramba zvaya zvekunzi munhu unobvuma kupusa. Probably maybe you're going to be a recipient of.
We are in contract in this song. Why is it? To sign an pass kuti I'm offering this. You pa services yangu nini? I'm an artist.
Yes.
Ndiri offer zvakadai. So why is it? You are a brand, you are a company, you are a I don't know company you offering zvakadai. So right. Let's have an agreement. That agreement, in I provide my services, you provide what?
Your services.
Tosangana pakati. I think the way to find oshanda nayo. Ona ndasana chikuzoti industry muZimbabwe entertainment, ma tuck shop. A tuck shop kuti vanhu ngachingotenga, unoorder, unotenga. It's not like a supermarket, it's not pick and pay. But tuck shop hapana swipe, hapana like eco cash or what, hapana kana ma CCTV cameras, hapana chinhu pakabiwa. There's no that way. Saka ma artists machinji arikubirwa bro like because mtakshop unobiwa unogoneza manager mtakshop ndiwi
aiwa bana chikumanager
waiza bana chikumanager saka unopedza kutobirwa nachi ni munhu wesa manager mtakshop akutokubira utozoti nasikutenga zvinokare
so kutopedza ma profits ako
kutopedza ma profits ako ndozvikuita ma mistakes machinji matisi kuti
yes
they like they rush to have managers and stuff kuti but zvoda ku managers bro is like udongobhukwa show then you go and sing what do you need a manager for what? Hapana kana like industry kuti zonzi wewe nasi pane commercial kustage zonzi nasi kunoshuta like commercial yemvura poda ma modules then manager organizes but mzimga is very rare. It's very rare kuti msanzoti ndezvokuita ndezvokubvuma tase kupusa ndo zvakangozara zvobvuma kupusa anyway ini nangu ndofa nenzara bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ray Vines aramba
kupenda kana
builder hanzi no matter the economy of the jungle lion will not eat the grass. But are we going to see you come back mu creative industry, maybe but not full scale, but coming back Ray Vines?
In a way bro, I'm pushing 30. I cannot trying to be funny anymore bro, like I'm not a person kuti yana kuda ku because wanafana mazona ku ari kugona bro like they are really making good skits and nindi Ray Vines from nowhere then I came trying to making skits again.
Doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense bro. Vanokugona zvekudaro.
Sometimes kana watosiya.
Ngatozuka ndotanga kutoshaya because unozonza ari kushaya bro like chii ari kuita waizi So that's why I decided to do something different and to work in like to work on tech. Why is it? So right now I'm focusing on my dues, and also I'm focusing on cyber security. I think there was
cyber security ndevi
cyber security. Tiso project isusu kuti musahekwe and everything like that.
ndo same
zvakafanira kuti tisi mapurisa ichi yepa internet yabata and everything. So this I think I graduated pane certificate rimwe rakaitwa renzi cyber ED raitwa neteam iri kurussia. I think it was like a few of the students were graduated. I think pakajina ma 1,000 students. There was like one of takaenda ku Ministry of Information ICT chimotana minister tatenda honorable tatenda mawetera ngatoriko na graduated. So it was like waingopiwa zvima labs zvekuti unoheka then wapedza kuheka zvinhu zvakomita zvese then you graduated. So yeah. So and also those things ndo zvakandipusha kuti nyasodzoka kuti munhu chaichaye. When I was down, it was like, I need to do I need to do something really challenging, something that is new.
And something that adds value also.
Yeah. I was like, I cannot go back to make skits. I've done that and I reached the highest level of that. Let me do something. I was like, let me learn hacking and there's something. So now I'm going to take a day and go isolation. Then I was like, let me go to school also. Then I went to school, I started doing cybersecurity. Then in school, I started meeting other smart kids. Because then I started meeting smart kids and they were telling me, there's this program, let's do it. I started doing that program. Then I graduated. I think this year, I don't know. Yeah, this year, start of this year, when I graduated, I got a certificate. The Minister of ICT was there, Honorable Tatinda Maveteri. She was there. To hand over my senior, and also that like so just until I my apps, I was doing a program as a bug bounty. So bug bounty is like you pen testing. So pen testing to tester with you. Right. Pen testing. No, pen testing to tester with you is your system in my vulnerabilities yekuti vanokwanisa kuheka vanhu. So if you find those vulnerabilities, we report to you kuti system yako yakadai pane vulnerability yakadai, so you can patch it so kuti usahekwe. So I was doing that program, bug bounty. But I was like, okay, I need to dig deep to understand the structure of my websites, my application and something like that. So I was like, let me try to create something zoti vanhu create vanobva kupi vanhu vakaseimba kuti kana chivakaimba from and kune ma-inspectors kuti level yabhoko yamota zvabo chichi. So I was like, I need to start building my websites and ndinyaso understand the structure yawo, so that ndenda kumaheka handiti ndindazoziva kuti apa akakwanisa kudeswa. So when I was doing that, then
penetrate my system, should be able to build it.
Yeah. So that was what zvinombonyasa kupi zvichienda kupi. So that's when I come with what? With my dues. So when I was building, but zvakapusa guys. What if I actually building a platform yekuti vanhu I was like, but what can I build in Zimbabwe muno chikuti chiri simple chinokwanisa kuwana ma-users, okay? I was like, but in Zimbabwe there's not like only Facebook marketplace, but there's not something chikuti chiri chakanyatsobikwa muZimbabwe and ndichema Zimbabweans, and also Facebook there's like a lot of scammers and so I was like, I need to build something chikuti vanhu vanokwanisa kutrade, and I need to build it chini like Instagram, like InDrive. I mean, waibata kuti chine map like kuchivhura and something like that. I was like, cool, let me build it. Then I made the first version. It was cool, but it was work at the same time. But ndakaramba chingodevelopa kusvika sinachi
financial cost here.
Yeah, a lot. Zvekutodaro bro. Zvekuti dai pasina like the guys vakazoda chip in to fund me and stuff. Then ndakatovhara scene.
Was a lot of people wanting wachifunga kuti
it's just computer. Because you need to pay my servers. And that's a lot of money. And I made a very, very big mistake when I launched scene. Then I started deep research. So when I first time when I launched it, the chance like a free the chance Firebase. So Firebase is a free tier. But so free tier nasanzwa kuti inosvika pa level ipo yekete.
Inanzvitonzwisa.
kuti free tier kuzoti chinyi pamaservice patikwanisa kupa maservices zviri free zviri free zigo waiziva so ini handamboriziva kuti free tier chinosvika pakaita sei pakaita sei bro talonja scene waikete first day pajoina vanhu 100 waiziva handambondicharger waiziva then like the sim celebs guys ka ndobva waposta kuti reference abudusa application
kudai vanhu vajoina
1,000 people bro like
endapotora manumbers aya 1,000 people kuti vanhu vakajoina 1,000 ka tichiverenga comment section ka unonge uchinzwa vanhu vachitaura zvati negative kuti rave ainzi unofunga kuti maybe no one joined vakajoina 1,000
bro more than like 3,000 people per one day but and Google vaita wakanzwa nani like the suggestions akusave okay like machine I'm like the server that I was hosting data revan and everything there was like we need $200 washenza $200 so far
pakutodiwa
mari I was like damn
ukandochinja
pakashatana waiza I was stressed ndikati masa ndalonja something notongofela because pangwena sina mari yoyo bro like us chindaida ngochito for free kuti unochanza chini wachanza free bro waiza
and how safe is data revanhu because patinopinda ipapa we sign in
data save kudaro tindona DPO data atina DOP data DPO data protection officer saka una bro ndakalonja ka I was stressed seeing build asvika ku 200 pa Firebase bro that how am I going to pay this inchi ndakatongochito for free kuti unasi washandisa then luckily enough pandaona my partners wakati let's partner then vazvabva tati but boys kuti tamashandisa Firebase ka azvibude we need to migrate to some service that better then we migrated to another server and kuti migrate to data redu ku Google manje Google dachi kuda mari yayo abati let's just ignore let's just start tingotangidzisa weze and a lot of people were so disappointed zvekudaro kuti vanhu vaposta zvinhu zvavo upload zvinhu zvavo and then the data is just wiped papa ipapo
ndikuona ipapa you were talking about kuti akapostwa nezim celebs ndakaona marketing efforts ako wakaita let me commend you kuti the way yamakamaketa Ghetto to Suburb I was looking at it vanhu vachipiwa mashetsi pachiitwa tumapromo we had never seen anything like that that was the first time kuona and it was easy to market Ghetto to Suburb because you had created an online community yako Facebook Instagram yako and I'm thinking right now my deals hapushikire pamaplatform pako pamaplatform ako ndikuona ari kupostwa zvinhu zvechiThailand zvinhu
no bro that page was hacked Facebook I was hacked way back I think I don't know who did it but the person who did it
manje cyber expert manje mukahackerwa page
iro kudzoka aiwa mai pamanozo chinhu I think it was one of the things ngatondi push cyber security zvozvo
yes
was chifanira kugura mapage ese Instagram Facebook like my Instagram angari ku 200 something like I was leading my content creators natuma 200 something 240 something
at a time kuti vanhu vangari 50,000 40,000 vanonyatsopisa
I think that partly also broke me pandakahekwa Facebook rangu rakahekwa bro and Facebook rangu right now I think is my followers akandosekeza I think I got like 8,000 followers on Facebook page
and is it easy now to grow them manje zvinozvo
as with me bro I don't care cloud wise akadilika kwangu it doesn't but I need cloud for my app I need cloud for my
platforms ako we need them to stay active or somewhere patongokuona kana uchingonyemwererawo totaza kuti mukombe madeals uyu
I think I'll find a way but Instagram yangu ndoitombori nani yekuma 30 something k 33 I mean 34 I don't know but Twitter mnamboyekwa neYouTube but Twitter anozoti Twitter inonetsa engagement but also Twitter yakanipushira app remadeals zvekudaro
bozi vanu Twitter
Twitter in Twitter there's a time ndakamboita ma1 then like people they unfollowed me wachindi block and I think I lost about 10,000 followers ndakaba ma 50 something then I got like to ma 40 but ndamboita
if I'm watching ndizigo arunakirwa wekuti ndiri kuona munhu wekuti 5-6 years ago this was someone I was enjoying kuona ndine mari dzangu and I want to be part of this story yaMelo seari kufamba nayo
Yeah.
Ndinofonera Melusi kana ndine nyaya ipi, what type of deal or offer or help yandinokwanisa kufonera Melusi ndichitaura, because at this point it's clear kuti Melusi hadi vanhu vanofona vachingoti zviri sei, mudhara ndainakirwa nemaskiti enyu ekudhara,
Zvondibowa izvozvo.
kana kuti mudhara yaitite rimwe skiti.
Zvondibowa izvozvo. Ushuta madvets here. Bro. Like my interview, kwakasira maskits. Hey, bro, like
Yes.
I think I face that every week, but kana kuti adini ngachiti uno zvandiri kuita is kuti this guy is pushing this and that and that. Kana kugadzira system, if you want a website or if you want an application or if you want to invest in something that I'm doing, then yeah, we can have a chat.
Yes.
About it. No, like kuti hanzi iwe uchindisa tuma interview kuti hanzi wakasira maskits ndanoita nazvo bro.
Thank God atina kubvunza vana mbado kasiri maskiti. Tipendi shanu katiri kuda kubva. Now he's a cyber expert muchimuona akadai. Apart from my deals, he's a cyber expert as well. Who needs your services? Because patonzwa kuti hacking. WhatsApp ndo yatinongogaira ndayeke WhatsApp yangu. So who needs your services?
I think my companies mazhinji, because in Zim a lot of companies they don't consider cyber security. They just vanhu vakutanga kuita kubaka now, but bekudhara kwavaisamba zvese like people they just doing, but vakazozanga sei kuhekwa because vanhu vazhinji vakaenda kudzidzisa cyber security vakushaya mabasa, then after vashaya mabasa vakuita sei they start experimenting. I think particularly futi April madues, there's those young guys because pane masina ndaka like I didn't put something protection chichi, saka takaro inonzi DDoS attack, inonzi DOS attack, inonzi denial of service, kuti distribution denial of service, kuti vanosenda ma request akawanda pa like per system, then the system becomes overwhelmed nema request wachakwanisa kuita zini, wachakwanisa like my legitimate users akwanisa kuaccess the system because it's what is overwhelmed. I think there were pana mfano wakatongozviita zve application yangu remadues. I was like, no, I think they were just doing, no, fun. Yeah, they're just doing it for fun.
Vanotirira nyaya dzaidzi pane akaheka bank, aheka bank paapinda paanochinja password kana kuti paazvi-invita kunonzwi kuinterview.
I think
atiri kupe basa panapa
vakatira zvese kuda kuita zvekuti heka, but yanga riprotect zvekuda chinhu vakwanisa kuita nechengo kuita DOS attack chete. Then from that ndakabva ndatoona kuti pane weakness pasystem, so I need to patch this, then ndoenda patcha. So maservice atinooffer kucyber akawandisa, like we do pen testing, we do forensics, we do auditing, like audita system rako and everything kuti security wise system renyu macontrols aripo anoprotecta system renyu and everything.
Yes.
So it's not ndindozviita, like I have like a lot of guys who can
and my services are they my high value services because ndichiteerera pamwe ndahekerwa WhatsApp. Tiri kutaura about vanhu vanokwanisa kungohekerwa WhatsApp here, or we are talking about high value services?
We're talking about WhatsApp is like that's kiss game, like zvinhu zvidoko. But we're talking about like my system, my cooperates, we're talking about like my high level services. It's not something that is basic. Yeah. So hacking is very, very interesting. Amazon is like, it's just very, very easy. You just run a script and do a lot of things. But just you have to go into deep. But Amazon zvakatogadzirwa kudhara and zvitoripo like tuma script zvitoriko kudhara twakagadzirwa. You just have to plug and play. What does it? Uita pen testing yako, report rako, system yakadhaka pakadai so munhu anokwanisa kudai.
Yes.
Anokwanisa kuva SQ injection, there's cross script side pasini renyu, there's this and that, there's
zvakawanda. Ladies and gentlemen,
cyber security
cyber fair tiri kuudzwa panapa, but tichisvika pakuvhara. Now I can see that I'm talking with an ambitious a young man who wants to go to the top business wise, and if you are going to rewrite your story tomboti dai tiri kudzokera kumashure toenda pamakore awangu 16 years usati watanga content, were you going to do content again, or wanga uri kuzongofocusa on aspirations ako awinawo izvezvi?
I would trust me, if I go back kumashure I won't change even like anything, because everything that I've done zvakandishapena. because if I wasn't Ray Vines dai sindinombogara panapa ndinomboita Ray Vines ndinombogara ndichira nezvemadues panapa if I wasn't Ray Vines madues dai sitombotanga 1000 users dai chingori chiapp chisangana mausers kana 1 so basically zvese zvandakaita nawo zvekundibetsera pazvinhu zvandakaita sei zvandakuita ndakasvikawo like corporate company usandoti yo did I Vines was I Vines like now people they're looking at you at a different angle vachangokuona semunhu achi angoriwo basic or something like that so basically it helped zvekutodaro like I don't regret anything like I don't regret my mistakes andakaita or what post they also sharpened me into a person and now I know if I'm saying this is bad to someone if I'm doing this is not nice this is good and this is chakadadadadada because asha chinongodzidzisa kazhinji kacho it's not chikoro what but it's mistakes that you make
school of hard knocks
yeah those nokudzidzisa zvekuti
and if God is willing what would you want the future to hold for you if God is willing kuti ramangwana ndoti rindisiye ndiri pakati
in Brand Winnieberry I don't even know how to answer that but I can say that I always want to inspire someone else as kuti nyange uri padhaza nyange usinacho nacho uchibva uchitumbwiza or amene kumbara you can do whatever you want to achieve and I want to be a person like that whereas I want to be a person that inspire kuti it's not about doing maskis shit it's not about doing software developing whatever you're doing uri mujab or like doing what if you put like enough effort and being consistent in whatever you're doing you can achieve and I want to be a person kuti antarisona wapfana unza but dakuita semface uyu why is it I think mara kandisopa ndakadare baba bro that would be enough I can say kuti anze hey da mari kawandiso something like that and it but I want to be a person kuti pandozofa unza but face uyu akadzisa zvakadeso aradza gwara ya face uyu akadza kuti siya masina katideso takatanga mavines and akatanga gaza mavines and kids are really getting paid through content because and I contributed kuti zvitoitikawo izvozvo like ndakatoplayawo role yangu
a big role
ndakatoplayawo now like I'm doing software development ugaza my apps and a lot of kids they're coming to my DM they're coming to me Rainda gaza changu chaplay chakadeso chimboona chimbodownload Rainda gaza it's not even one vakawanda vanokati
varugadzirawo
vakugadzirawo my apps
yes
but so I was like I'm doing something that is right and I always want to do something that is right and there's a moment in it zvinhu wrong life mangu but yakadarika nguva yacho and I hope like we won't even go mashure
we are now
moving forward
Ray Vines thank you for your time
thank you too bro
yes vari kuda help yemadeals for questions and answers and questions more information where can they find that information
on Facebook I think my page is Melus Ravens Melus Ravens in 8,000 kuti rimwe chero ni 200
I think just a screenshot your page racho
and Sirini then on Instagram it's not Ravens on Instagram it's Melus Chiri it's like Melus and it _XIRI
okay
right then on Twitter is Ravens Melus
okay
right
but
Twitter and reactive zvekudaro Twitter I'm always there
but Twitter,
you can send me a DM Facebook also I'm also active atongoti kwese my DM ndomo you can just ask whatever you want to know about my dues how to upload your product how to buy how to do whatever we want pane auction pane barter trade pane zvese on my dues
ladies and gentlemen, for 1 minute, Mirani Mbongwetaka ambassador Madeals. I want you to go and download the application in Peace About Zimbabwe Inonzi Madeals, founded by our one and only and now created from Chicago or kunenge kuna Alibaba yakacreaterwa kuchitungwiza why it is important because tisinoziva matepe madhiri atentichida tisinoziva zvinhu zvatiri kuda so application iyi yakasiyana nemamwe ndechekuti mamwe unosvika wotanga kuudzwa nezvemaproducts ari kusenton this one is map based map ndo chekutanga chiripo so anotanga nekuona madhiri ari padhuze newe unowana here jesman kuti ari padhuze ajesu manogona kushaya but pavanolegalize jesu manogona kuona ari padhuze but uda bhutsu uri kuda mari goridhe riri pamutemo uri kuda uri kuda whatever that is legal you can find it on Madeals app.
If you want to sell they can upload it on Madews. It's
On
free.
Madews.
Apana charge or what?
Apana charge.
Yeah.
And it's very safe information yenyu. Zviri kuendelwa na DOP, DPO, Data Protection Officer.
Yeah.
So let's go and support our own Ray Vines, Melusi. And with that, we are out. Thank you once again.
Thank you for having me, brother.
Yes, and we are
Yeah.
out.
Cheers.
Mapatpana sina prata sina ego Matanga tondirizira gawiso Pamachada titsika ange inaso Dotsoka po podcast nina zigo Osika sika utangeka kama ziko Maona drama rekwa gringo Tepe kunoona isi tingo Ndinonzi tingo ringo Dameri tina chazo so single But next year nina album Fucking amigo
Good news, kuma ladies and gentlemen. Emu Westgate, Sunridge, Bluffview, twese tunzvimbo itolo turi around ka area kanaka. We now have a grocery shop, the One Life Mart groceries ne pamuzinda wenyama butchery, which means that sometimes kumo kure just to get your things locally kana uri mu area yatataura iri kuwanika ese ma basic commodity. Address mukatarisa pachikoro pane Divaris Makaris ne pane church inenge SDA, pane tuma shop turi ipapa because shop yacho i1 but inoita nge mashop akawanda pana Northwood na Lavenham where mtenge at affordable prices and every basic commodity here.